Hello, my fellow investors. This is Andres, and welcome to my channel. So, I just completed my 35th week of investing in my M1 Finance, and I'm going to tell you what, this week I went 100% stock. Before I go through my slices, I'm going to let you guys know that this week I deposited $200 and I got rid of my bonds and my real estates. They were each 5% of my pie. I went 100% stocks because I wasn't really getting that much in return from my realty, which was the digital realty trust. And also on my bond, it has 5%, but at the same time, I'm still young and I can just go for bonds later on in my life. All right, so we'll see how I did this week. So let's go to my stocks, which is now 100% of my money maker pie. Let's change this to week. All right. As you guys know, we'll save the no dividend for later, which has the most gain for this week because of my biggest share of my no dividend stocks perform really well this week. So let's go to my technology first, which is 30% of my pie. So Nvidia, I made $93.38, which is up 8.74%. Microsoft, I gained $19.71, which is up 2.05%. Skyworks, I lost $19.25, which is down 2.73%. As you guys can see, my tech is pretty much a winner for this week. Of course, I lost about $19 on my Skyworks, but look at Nvidia. I gained a lot because their earnings came out this week, and that's the reason why I gained 8.74% return. All right, so my technology for this week, I gained $93.84, which is 3.43% return. My earned dividends is $2.29. Now let's go to my consumer, which is 12% of my pie. McDonald's, I gained $8.42, which is up 2.19%. PepsiCo, I lost $2.99, which is down 0.77%. Procter & Gamble, I gained $5.76, which is 1.75% return. So overall, for my consumer, I did pretty well this week. My gain is $11.19, which is 1.02% return, and I did not earn any dividends. Let's go to my industry, which seems like a loser for this week. This consists of 10% of my pie. Honeywell, I lost $10.67, which is down 1.73%. Waste Management, I lost $1.16, which is down 0.28%. So as you guys can see, my consumer loss this week, I lost $11.83, which is 1.15% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my finance, which is 8% of my pie. Visa, I gained $27.32, which is up 3.77%. Wow, this is probably the highest gain I've received so far from Visa. So for this week, my finance one, as I said, $27.32, which is 3.77% return. I did not earn any dividends. Now let's go to my communication, which is 5% of my pie. So as you guys can see, I only have Verizon and my communication, which won $1.92, which is 0.34% return. I did not earn any dividends. So as you guys can see, I don't have my healthcare slice anymore. So I decided to sell Johnson & Johnson last week because it wasn't really performing well and I didn't really see any advantage of keeping it. But if I do have more money in the future, and yes, Johnson & Johnson is one of the stock that I'll probably buy first to add this slice. The 5% from my healthcare, I put it on my no dividend. So my no dividend last week, it was 30%. Now it's 35%. So all right, let's go to my growth slice, my no dividend slice. This is what's giving me good money so far, especially this week. All right, so Tesla, as you guys know, Tesla has been running up the whole week because of the split that's going to be happening next week. So everybody is buying Tesla before the split, which is making the Tesla stocks soar this past week. So for my Tesla, you guys know it consists 55% of my no dividend. This week, I gained $382.07, which is a whopping return of 22.92%. Wow, so this is amazing. Tesla has been really good for me so far, and I'm glad that I added this no dividend in my pie. So Square, I gained $65.52, which is 8.48% return. Again, this is a really good return for this week for Square. This week has been really good for me so far. Roku, this stocks has been losing this past 2 weeks. I'm happy that this time it won. I mean, it's only $1.99, but a win is a win. So as you guys can see, my no dividend really made me proud this week. It performed really well. I gained $449.58, which is 14.64% return. Wow, 14.64% is really amazing. So as you guys can see, stocks slices won this week, except industrial lost $11.83, which is 1.15%. This is still not bad. I mean, I have more win this week than loss. So for my money maker this week, I gained $580.15, which is 6.29% return. My dividend is $2.29. So guys, as you guys know, this is really good because I only deposited $200 in the beginning of the week. Last week, this was $9,100. And look at it now, it's $979.90. Whoo! So I'm less than $200 away from my goal. Almost 10K, guys. Almost 10K. I still have September, October, November, December. I still have 4 months of investing left through 2020. So hopefully by the end of this month, I'll get to 10K. If not, hopefully the beginning of September. I'm really proud of this pie. It has performed really well since I created it. I know there was a lot of tweaking and there was a lot of selling, but in the end, I still made some money out of the stocks that I have left on this account. So this is just to prove you guys that no matter how big or small you invest it, as long as you buy and hold and you just keep it long term, it's gonna give you rewards in the future. It's gonna give you money. Like I always said, guys, keep investing and keep growing your wealth. I'll give you guys an update again next week. So I'll see you guys. My wealthy people, thanks for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, leave some comments to show some love. Again, this is Andres telling you to stay true to your path to wealth. Until next time, see you.